If you want to keep your young trees looking great during the summer heat, a watering bag is a very easy way to do it. The reason this is important is that young trees have a large crown but a very small root ball, and it takes them a couple of years to catch up. This particular myGarden watering bag requires about 30 inches of clearance on the stem for it to fit and perform properly. Installation is really quite simple. You just need to wrap it around the tree, zip it up right to the top, and then you're ready to add water. So the small slot at the very top is where the hose goes to fill it up. Simply put your hose in, and you want to fill it about a quarter full. Once the 20-gallon bag is about a quarter full, you want to stop filling, stand up, and just lift the bag with the two straps they have. This is going to help the emitters let the water out properly. Once you've done that, you're ready to fill it up the rest of the way. Once your bag is full, just take the hose out and then let it be. It's going to take 5 to 8 hours for this bag to drain, depending on the consistency of the soil below. And during the summer heat, you want to use this fill it up every 5 to 7 days, depending on your soil consistency. Very sandy soil, maybe a little bit more often. And that's how you use a tree watering bag.